What's going on, guys? Have a quick little video here for you guys. It's been a while because I have a lot of other stuff on the way, guys. I just didn't want to bore you guys and make some kind of weird ass video. This thing is freaking heavy, freaking monster, big as hell. Like, look at this shit. You can tell it's wider, it's taller. This is a good example of you versus the man she told you not to worry about. It's longer. Alright, guys, and we went ahead and just unwrapped it already. Let me tell you guys, I can pick this up with one hand, guys. This is insane. Anti-gravity, you guys did an amazing job on making this product. And I can't fucking pick this shit up with one hand. Probably if I go like this. Yeah, but it's heavy ass. Let me just tell you guys that. This thing, let me try I have a little scale when I do epoxy and carbon fiber stuff. So let me see. I think it's way too heavy because it usually just measures in grams and shit. So, pounds. All right, let me put it over. Hopefully it doesn't max it out or something. But we'll see if it. 7 pounds. Yeah, this thing is definitely really light, guys. I'm pretty sure if I were to put this heavy one on there, it's gonna fucking break because it's a small little scale. So, but this motherfucker, from what I've seen, is like 40 pounds or some shit. So yeah, definitely big change right here. Another thing, guys, that I really like about this battery, it has a little indicator right here, basically telling you the status of the battery. And that's just a really neat feature, guys. Let's say there's, I don't know, it's cold as hell outside and it discharges your battery, which it shouldn't, because this one has a capacity of where's the 0 degrees Celsius, or what the fuck, where's it at? I don't know, guys, but I was talking to one of the sales representatives, and it told me that I can be this battery can handle being from -30 degrees Fahrenheit up to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, something like that. But don't quote me on it. It's something similar to that. But yeah, this thing can handle quite a beating in low temperatures and high temperatures, so you don't have to worry about it fucking up just like the gay ass. Alright, guys, so in the back of the box I did find a tab that says operating temp, and I ended up converting it over to Fahrenheit. So -4 Fahrenheit over to 109 degrees Fahrenheit in working temps. You might be asking, yo, but this doesn't have any freaking terminals, you know, whatever. So basically that's also in a adapter kit for the terminals, connectors, whatever you want to call them. So you just slide these motherfuckers in here and basically just install these things on. So basically all you gotta do is just put the little insert in there, the little fitting, put this on top, and they do include new Allen bolts or cap heads, whatever you guys want to call them, and just slowly. All right, and that shit's in. Let me just make it straight. Alright, just basically the same thing with the other one. Negative, and obviously it's the black one. And put that shit over it. There you go. That's basically it, guys. Guys, I just went ahead and disconnected it already. Let's see. Still full. Obviously it should. I can already see the freaking lights in the trunk lighting up. So that's a good sign. We got some power already. And let's put the ignition in and see if our compressor kicks on. Because some of you guys know I am running Fortunato's air piston suspension. Holy shit! Dude, my compressor never pumped this freaking fast. Holy crap, guys. This is freaking insane. No joke. Holy shit. A battery makes that much of a difference. Holy crap. Oh, yo, this is crazy. Smaller battery, more powerful. This is fucking crazy, guys. You guys can, oh my god, this is fucking insane. I'll make a comparison video, guys, with the stock one. I'll put the stock one on back right now in a bit, and I'll make a little short clip on the difference how the compressor sounds on both of them. This is freaking insane. I definitely recommend this battery, guys. Holy crap. Alright guys, this is with the stock battery, as you guys can see. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out and see how the compressor kicks on. I did fully charge the stock battery, so let's see how it sounds. It probably won't be as dead how it used to be, but let's see. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but this one sounds more like the battery's forced. Like it's working so freaking hard. Like the compressor isn't like on the other video. I'll put like a little clip in comparison, but the compressor sounds like it's struggling, you know, like slowly climbing, getting the air pressure up. Yeah, it sounds like it's struggling, you know, like it's slowly climbing up. It's doing a job, but obviously it's kind of climbing up, you know what I'm saying? But I do a little clip comparison right here of both of them so you guys can actually hear the difference. Conclusion, guys, I cannot explain how freaking amazing this battery is. I highly recommend it. Lightweight, high performance. It just clears up on tight spaces, takes up, you know, that big ass battery is bulky as hell, takes a lot of space. This is freaking amazing, guys. It's dope. If you guys are running airlift, I recommend this battery. You know, this is a single compressor, so it's not as heavy duty as the airlift. Those are bag boys out there, you know. But it's still a heavy duty application. From what I told the guy, he said the ATX30. I'm not a full audio guy. Those who have a big ass fucking audio system that takes a lot of fucking watts or amps, whatever the hell. I don't even plan to put those big ass speakers on all the doors and the tweeters or whatever you call them and the subs. But that does take a lot of power, guys. I'm pretty sure it could handle it, but you're probably gonna be pushing the battery if you're gonna be making, let's say, I don't know, let's say you're making 800 horsepower. You got a full bag system, all four wheels, you know, a dual compressor. You got the big ass subs in the back, the speakers and everything, you know. I've seen the stock battery handle that shit, but eventually it dies. You know, I'm pretty sure this thing can handle it, but I'd probably be pushing it, I would say. But if you're just running bag, I recommend this battery, dude. This thing is really amazing, as you guys can see. I'm just running Fortunato air pistons, as you guys see right there. It's basically coilover with a little air piston on top. But yeah, this thing should be great. And there's been Mustangs that are like twin turbo V8s or whatever. They're making 1,000 horsepower with this battery, with this tiny little battery. So I mean, I'll be making 850-ish, 800-ish on it. This is basically a 4-cylinder turbocharged. So this should basically be plenty, you know. It's a big comparison from V8 to a 4-cylinder. So my car should be perfectly fine. And I love the results, guys. I really recommend this battery. Any of those out there looking for a battery, don't go with the Odyssey battery. I have seen people at the Odyssey battery it's plenty for them, you know, but I always get the anti-gravity. But just for me, it is kind of pricey though. It's like $560, but totally worth the investment, guys. It's just, you don't have to worry about it freaking fucking up in the future or whatever, you know. It's just amazing. It's one of those things that you don't want to be stranded in the middle of winter, or one of those things at night or whatever, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, this is the ATX30HD model. There is a restart model, which basically has an auto jumper feature. You can just press a button and it jumps the battery for you, but it's not as powerful as this one. So I do recommend the ATX30HD, guys. There is an ATX3020HD, which is below this one, and that one is heavy duty too. You can run that one as well, and it is a little bit smaller. I got the ATX30HD just to be 100% safe with my whole air piston system. I also have underlights underneath the car, and I am going to be making 150 horsepower. So I just want to be on the safe side of things. That's why I ended up getting the ATX30 instead of the 20. But both batteries, guys, from what I've seen, great. And this is another great example of a great working battery and another great review. I love this battery, and I'm definitely going to keep buying anti-gravities in the future. But yeah, guys, that's basically it for this video, and stay tuned for the build on the car. A lot of more stuff coming in, guys. If you guys are into cars. Other than that, guys, I appreciate you guys' time watching this video, and peace out, guys. I hope it was some help. Later. Also, some of you guys are wondering my social media. I do have an Instagram, guys. If you guys want to follow the build, whatever. Here's a quick little screen recording video on my Instagram. There you'll see some of my titanium work stuff and some other stuff there, and just things along the way. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on my social media if I don't update more videos on YouTube. Peace out, guys.